In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to sort Glassdoor job listings by salary to find the highest paying roles. If you want to quickly zero in on the best paying opportunities without scrolling through endless listings, this walkthrough will show you exactly what to do, step by step, in a clear and simple way. First, open Glassdoor in your web browser or launch the mobile app and sign into your account. Logging in ensures you see complete job details and the most relevant results. If you're already signed in, you're set. If not, just enter your details and confirm you're on the Jobs tab so you're ready to search. Next, use the search bar to enter the job title, a keyword, or a location you're interested in. This can be as broad as software engineer or as specific as senior data analyst. In the location field, type a city or region, or keep it general if you're open to different places. You can also try variations of your role, like account executive and sales executive, to capture a wider range of listings. When your terms look right, you're ready to see what's out there. Go ahead and click Search to open the job listings page. This will load a feed of available positions based on what you entered. Take a quick look at the preview cards to get a sense of titles, companies, and pay information that might already be visible. By the way, if you prefer using the app or you want to go straight to the website, I've placed both the download link and the site link right at the top of the description to make it easy for you to jump in. At the top of the listings, find the Sort By drop-down. It's usually near the top right area of the results. Click it to open your sorting options. From that list, choose Salary. This tells Glassdoor to reorder the results so you see the highest paying roles first. Some postings may show a range, others a single figure, and a few might display an estimate based on available data. Choosing Salary puts the strongest offers up front so you don't miss them. Now, browse through the high-paying jobs. Scroll the list, open any role that stands out, and review the compensation details, benefits, and responsibilities. If a range is broad, compare it to similar listings to gauge competitiveness. As you scan, keep an eye on location and company size since those can affect pay levels. That's it. You can now prioritize high-paying jobs on Glassdoor with just a few clicks. Check the links at the top of the description to get started fast. Thanks for watching.